Ta-da! Today we are on Pi and it's brilliant, and I didn't film anything other than the journey yesterday because no one wants to see me on rum. But we're just coming out of our little bungalow. It's really cool, and we met some guys last night and we're just gonna go for breakfast with them, which is really cool. And she's just up here, so I will be filming today, doing what we're doing. It's kind of cool. So we're at the White Buddha in Pi. We've just ridden for literally 5 minutes. We've crossed the bridge and we're just here. And I am literally feeling with a hippie vibe. Like, I can't wear shoes because I've been bitten so many times on my feet, which is a bit of a bugger. But we are just like walking up to this Buddha, which looks pretty incredible. Just check out that view. So we just climbed up to the top of the big Buddha. Definitely do it. I mean, you spend like 5 minutes up there because once you've seen the Buddha and the views, you've seen it. But just to go and sit and chill. Definitely take water. We didn't, and we're now really regretting it. But yeah, definitely do it. It's really, really cool. The steps kill you, but once you get to the top, it's totally worth it. The view is incredible. So we made it to Memorial Bridge, which is this thing right here. And we've literally just been buzzing around on the bikes today. It looks like it's going to rain in a bit. We're looking for hot springs and a waterfall. But no, today's been really, really cool so far. And I'm just going to jump back on the bike and we're just going to go around and see some more stuff. So this is Pi Canyon, and it's the most incredible thing. We've just walked up the steps to get here. The views are incredible, but I don't know how them people have got over there, because if you look, it's like a sheer drop. Somehow they've managed to get over there, and I think we're probably going to try and do the same thing. But it's really cool because over there it's like thundering and raining, and then over this side there's just the most beautiful hills I've ever seen. It's pretty cool. Amazing is this? Well, the boys will go in, and we're not going to be shown up by them. So competition over here. Always. We're at probably our last stop of the day because it's been thundering. We're at Pembroke Waterfall. The bottom looks a bit naff, but we're just going to climb up these rocks here and see what it's like up the top. But yeah, so we've done quite a lot today. We want to go back to the canyon. I definitely do it, like it's probably one of the best things we've done here. But I think we've kind of covered pie in a day, so now we're sort of struggling for things to do. So if you come for like longer, I would definitely like space it out. But no, it's a really cool town, really cool place. But yeah, so just coming up to the top of the waterfall, so we'll see what that's like. So after saying it was a bit rubbish, it's actually pretty cool. You walk all through the trail and then you come to this and you can cliff jump, you can do everything. But it's now literally starting to rain again, so we're just heading out. But no.